In today's video, I'm going to teach you Calendly tutorial on how to block days from your calendar and availability. 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. Open your browser and go to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Login. Enter the email address you use for your account, then hit Continue. On the next screen, type your password and Continue. If you use single sign-on or a verification code, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home dashboard. From here, look for the availability section. This is where you control when people can book time with you across your event types. Click Availability to open your scheduling tools. At the top, switch to List View so you can clearly see your schedules rather than a calendar grid. This view makes it easy to make one-off changes. Next, select Date-Specific Hours. This is the feature that lets you change availability for particular dates without affecting your default weekly schedule. Click the plus hours button. This opens a date selector so you can choose the exact days you want to adjust. Select the days you want to block from bookings, perhaps holidays, personal days, or a focus day with no meetings. Once your dates are checked, click Apply. Calendly will mark those dates with no available time slots, showing you as unavailable on those specific days. That means anyone visiting your booking link won't be able to grab a time on those dates, while the rest of your schedule stays intact. A few quick tips to make this smooth. First, double-check your time zone in your account settings, especially if you travel. Date-specific changes follow your selected time zone. Second, remember that availability lives at the account level but can be overridden by individual event types. If something still appears bookable, peek at that event type's custom hours. Third, date-specific hours are perfect for one-off changes. Use your weekly schedule for your normal cadence and these date adjustments for exceptions. After applying your changes, return to your profile or event page preview and confirm that the blocked days are grayed out or not selectable. If you need to unblock a day later, just go back to availability, find the date-specific entry, and adjust or remove it. And that's it. You've learned how to quickly block days in Calendly, so your booking link always reflects when you're truly available. If this was helpful, save these steps for the next time you need no meeting day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.